Hello guys, so today we're unboxing the AIRWICK Essential Mist Aroma Diffuser. So this package comes with the relaxing lavender oil, which is 20 ml, and a white diffuser which has an outlet above which glows when mist is released. And there are also 3 triple batteries included, as the diffuser is completely battery operated. So firstly, lift the outer cover to insert the batteries. Make sure they are properly fixed. So now, let's insert the refill in. Firstly, remove the cap. Do not just adjust the nozzle. Insert the refill upright in the diffuser until it clicks. Replace the outer cover and let's try it now. There are 3 intensity settings available to choose from: low, medium, high. Let's try it at the highest level. Now, once the level is chosen, the device waits 3 seconds for you to place it until it releases the mist. Listen to the relaxing lavender aroma mist, surely to give you a good night's sleep. The diffuser can stay for max 8 hours and rest for 16 hours and then turn back on automatically. Hope you found this video useful. Stay safe. Bye.